Are you having trouble drawing perfect circle or other shapes on Procreate? Well, here's how to do it. Let's get started. I am using iPad Pro 11 inches and an Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Let's open Procreate. Keep the canvas size to screen size. Select your favorite color. I am selecting a purple. Select your pen after selecting your color. I am using Studio Pen in inking section. Then draw a circle and hold. Then tap with your finger to get perfect circle. 2-finger tap for undo. Let's try square and a straight line. Tap with your finger to get a straight line. Simply draw the basic shape and tap with your finger to make a perfect shape. Isn't it easy? Type in the comment section which Procreate tool would you like me to do next. Thank you.